Hey, Practicalers! This is your Practical Life Coach, Coach Kristan. May tanong ako sa inyo. Gusto nyo bang manalo sa buhay? I guess, oo. And ako rin, as your Practical Life Coach, definitely, I want you to win in life. That's why I'm encouraging you to avail of my online life coaching sessions. If you're interested, kindly shoot me an email at practicalcoachingbykristan@yahoo.com or DM me in my SOCMED. And bakit nga ba panalo ka pag nag-avail ka ng life coaching sessions with Coach Kristan? Because, first of all, I've been in the business for almost 2 decades doing life and employee coaching. And the methodology that I use in coaching is both experiential and practical. Kaya sigurado ko, the tips, advice, and guidance that I will give you will be applicable in everyday life situations. At hindi lang yun, will help you win in all areas of your life. So Practicalers, remember to always dream big, live passionately, and pray hard. Catch you later!